Hello and welcome. This is ViperJet Drain Services, keeping the drains clean here today, here in Sparta, New Jersey. Just cleaning a vortex, getting the garbage out required by the town. We do all types of drain cleaning, residential, commercial, and industrial. So if you need any vacuuming, catch basins, give us a call, 201-877-8976. Always like to lower the unloader when we're doing pressure washer. There is no gun or control over there, so what happens is if there is a trigger and you let go, then the relief valve will just go off, so it's not good for the machine. It's not meant to be used as a pressure washer, but it does a great job. If you ever power wash with a 20-gallon a minute machine, is crazy amount of power and water, so it's kind of fun. That leads to it. Well, basically what this is there is a shopping mall on this side right here. It's a big mall. All the drainage from that mall comes here, and the device picks up all the garbage before it hits the creek. So this one is not too bad, but it's required. The town requires it every year to be cleaned, and it has to be documented. So you just got to do it whether it's clean or not. We just have to do it for this customer, and that's it. That right there is what we have to pick up. Here's the other side. So there's not much in there, but it's something that the customer for that mall right there, the whole shopping mall, it's responsible for cleaning this device right here. So we come every year. We can clean residential, commercial drains with no issues. We're required to do this every year, keep the garbage off the creeks, keep the rivers and water streams flowing as they should with no garbage. That's what we're here to do. So call 201-877-8976. That's for me, Sam. ViperJetDrain.com. Also visit us.